So, Salman, what this is asking you to do is you need to work out a growth rate, right? So we're going to do exactly the same thing, copy and paste this in here. Alright, just go paste like we did last time, text. Okay. Let's just move it down to the corresponding. I'll just put it there, yeah? Okay. Okay, and what you need to do is, it's asking you, it says, the manager of the centre thinks an increase of 15% in sales is achievable next month if the food bars are promoted. Mode. Calculate next year's sales for each food bar and the total sales for both the current month and the next month. So, it's saying, so calculate the total for this month, current sales, which is, so the total, which is current sales, you just equal sum there at the bottom, and then highlight all of those. Voila. That's your current month sales, yeah? Now what you want to do is, this needs to be, we know that this has to be 150, yeah? Okay? This needs to be 150. Alright, so what we then need to do is make all these 0, yeah, and then click equals and make all these equal each other, like that, and then just drag it down like so. That actually equals 98. What you need to do is, they all need to be bigger than what they were previously. And it says here, use goal seek to calculate the growth rate which would be needed to generate total sales of 150k next month. Yeah. So the manager thinks a 15% increase is achievable. Yeah. So you would expect then that is a 15% increase. 1.15. Yeah. Let me just check something. Everything goes up by 15%. Maybe 112. Okay. So the manager of the centre thinks 15% of increases next is achievable next month if the food bars are promoted better. Calculate next year's sales for each food bar and the total sales for both the current month and the next month. Yeah. Okay, so answer questions 4 to 17 on the answer sheet. 4 to 7 even. So if we go down here, question 4. What are the formula and value in cell B9? So in cell B9, oh, B19, sorry. So that would just be equal sum. You would go equal sum. Yep. C15 to C19, as you can see. And the value is 98, yeah? Okay. So then it's saying, what are the formula and the value in cell C17? So as we can see, what the manager said here is he reckons that there could be an increase of 15% in sales as achievable next month. Okay, so if we go and look at the answers, what that's saying is sections 1 to 4. I reckon that they've just done a 15% increase, which is fine. So yeah, they have. That's all they've done. So all you do is, yeah, you do what I did. You go equal and then just put the sum here. You just equals, so that would be a 15% increase. Okay. So what you do is you just go equals that one, because it's a 15% increase on that, times 1.15, yeah, and then drag it down like that. Okay, and just drag it down. Okay, and then your answer to this one is then, it would be equals B19 times 1.15 equals, oh no, that would be down there, sorry, that would equals B19 times 1.15 equals, and that would be 17 times 1.15, 28.275, 28, yeah, 0.75, okay, like that, yeah. And then C19 would just be equals C19 times 1.15 equals 112.7, or sum C15 to C19, yeah? It would be C14 even. Yeah, sorry, C14 here. C18. C14 to C18, because I've got to copy those. D15. D14 to D18. Sorry. Oh no, I'm right. C. I am right. Sorry. So that would be, and then C14 to C18. Or C14 to C18. You see? Yep. And that equals 112.7. Let's change that to equals. Okay. Does that make sense? Let me know if that doesn't make sense. We can go back through it. And then it says number 7, use goal seek to determine the percentage growth rate that would generate 150k in sales next month. Show your answer to one decimal place. Okay. So then we can say, let's see how they set it out. Okay. So what you do is just go to just put 150 here. Say next month sales 150. Oh no, don't do that. Just say 0 for now, and then just say 0 here, and just do this equals this times 1 plus this, yeah, because then you're turning that into a percentage, yeah. And then what you do, so you do get a blank cell like this, go equals to this, so I'll do this again, equals to this times 1 plus this, because this is where your percentage is going to go, yeah. Then what we are going to do is go to goal seek. So you'll find that in data. And what you've done here with this, yeah, you've just turned this into a percentage. You know what I did here? 1 plus 1.5. That's what we're doing here. Okay. So then we go to data. Wherever goal seek is, solver. Okay. That's what this is. This is what it is. We want it linear. So simplex LX. Subject constraint. So what I want, set objective. I want this. So I go set to value. I go set objective. It's going to be, in this case, on my spreadsheet, it's telling me it's E20. So you just have to make sure you go click, because we want to change this, and that's what it's asking you to do. So we set objective E20 value of 150. Yeah. So I say I want E20 to be a value of 150 by changing variable cells. This one, and my constraint is this has to be above. It has to be above 0. Yeah. Okay. But it has to be less than 1 because it's a percentage. Okay. So it can be anything between 0 and 1. Okay. And now I solve. Okay. Keep solver solutions. Home. Should be 33%. Unless it's for the next month. Okay, so I compared it to the wrong one. It should actually be this one. So just change it, not 112. It shouldn't be on the base. It should be on the basis of 98. Okay, so we do what we did last time. Just don't use 112. Use 98. So then we go back to our solver. Yeah. Same exact thing. F7. Okay, solve. Okay, it will be exactly the same. Then I click solve, but just do it from your 98, okay? 53.68, yeah? Which is what you should get based on the answers, because that's why they say that's what they want you to do. Do it at 98 and then done. Okay, perfect.